Okay, I don't stop at sub sandwich places. What did your tongue just do? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, That Chocolate Vegan, with me, Erin Wells, and you read that title correctly. Today we're going to be making the viral grinder sandwich. Let's get started. So I have been seeing this sandwich all over Instagram, but apparently it came from TikTok. And y'all, I ain't supposed to be eating no bread, but I got to have it. Oh, I love sub. I don't stop at sub sandwich places because obviously it's not vegan, but baby, I love subs. So anyway, I'm just gonna, everybody's recipe is a little different, so I'm kind of just gonna pick one. But if you've never heard of grinder sandwich, it's basically a salad. I don't know what a grinder salad is or where it came from, but that's what makes a sandwich pop. That's what makes it a little bit different from a normal sub sandwich. But everything is like melted cheese, meat, and whatever this salad concoction is right there. So that's what we're going to make. Apparently my internet is not working. Oh, I saw Joya's. So boom. But y'all, we're gonna just go ahead and make the, okay, y'all stop talking. Stop. So we're gonna go ahead and make our salad first, and then we'll toast our bread, meat, and cheeses. All right, let's get into it. All right, y'all, let's start off by chopping up some iceberg. Okay, let's make it prettier than that. We'll just get rid of that. All right, so we got 3 cups of lettuce roughly here, y'all. Bam. Okay, just gonna throw in a little extra too because it's here, but 3 cups of lettuce. All right, I have some onion and garlic that I already chopped up earlier. So, well, as in earlier, I mean yesterday. So we're gonna have to use it. I know she looks sad, but that's okay. That's all right. Let me see if I have another onion because it's kind of mixed in, so I can't even really tell the onion from this. Might be mostly garlic, honestly. I do not have any more onion, so we're gonna have to use onion powder. I don't have no onion, y'all, so sorry about it. So let's do about a tablespoon of onion powder in here, okay? And then we'll take the garlic I already made and we'll go ahead and put in like 2 tablespoons. So there is some onion in here. It's like a little combination. But for you, this will be just garlic, and you'll put in about a half of an onion. All right, now we're gonna go in with some mayo. We're gonna do half a cup of mayo. Now we're gonna go in with some submarine dressing. You can also sub this for red wine vinegar, but that's all I got. So doing 1/4 cup. Make sure all those herbs and spices get in there as well. There you go, guys, in case you wanted to buy this one. This is my first time trying it. Gonna go in with a black owned business. We're gonna use his Bold Italian King's Plate Bold Italian dressing. Gonna use a tablespoon of that. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of Chef Joya's just magic seasoning, not too much because it also contains salt. Just gonna kind of go like this around. Okay, now we're gonna go in with our pepperoncini peppers. You can also use banana peppers, but again, this is what I have. All right, roughly about 3 tablespoons. I do mean rough, okay? Look, did anything go in there? Real rough. Y'all saw that. In fact, let me do a little bit more juice. There you go. All right, so let's mix it all up. When I tell y'all I'm excited, I mean, it sounds good. I mean, it literally sounds like shh. Y'all hear that? All right, is that mixed in enough? Can we try it now? All right, let's try it. I'm done stirring. Let's try it. Okay, let's get into it. Let's get into it because we got to start toasting our sub up. So let me see, because it's supposed to be a salad now. What is a grinder salad? Let me know, because I'm not doing no more research. I don't lie to you, okay? Oh, I eat that all day. Oh, that's my new salad. That's my new keto salad right there. That is good. Okay, let's go ahead and get to toasting. Oh, baby. She's excited. That's good right there. I already know this sandwich about to be amazing, okay? Yeah, I am well aware this is not sub bread. It was on sale. It was vegan, so I don't even know what it is. How we gonna put, I I don't know. We just gonna cut it and we gonna just make a big old sandwich that I'm not gonna eat. But it was on sale, so it's fine. I'll give the rest to the birds. I'm not eating all this bread, okay? Well, no. Oh, she is dead. Oh, I can't even get into it. Y'all, this is not meant to be a sandwich. Oh my God. Ugh. Ain't no way I'm gonna even be able to bite into this. What are we thinking? Should we take out some of this? I'm thinking I need to take out some. Yeah, let me take out a little bit of this bread. Just a little bit. It's just too much. Okay? Let's take out a little bit of that right there, like that. I'm using Country Crock plant butter. Baby, I am not about to eat. No. What y'all not gonna do is mess up. I've been going to the gym. So, this is just for the people who, you know, y'all can stand to gain some pounds, or you just having a good old cheat meal. Look at this. Look at the 10,000 pounds. Yes. It's easy when you know you ain't gonna eat all this. Now the recipe calls for provolone cheese, but I don't have that, so we're gonna use what I got. All right. I have Daya 4 cheese Mexican, and I also have the So Delicious cheddar. So this is what we're gonna use, because this is what I got. Okay. So boom. We just gonna half of that on that side. Okay. And then we're gonna use this on this side, because that's what I got. That's what we're gonna use. Yeah. So now we're gonna put this bad boy in the oven. It's already on 350 for about 10 minutes. All right, let's get into our meat of the sub. I'm only gonna be using 2 today. I'm gonna be using the Unreal Deli turkey slices. Y'all remember this when I went live. We're gonna add some seasoning to this bad boy, okay? And I'm also gonna use Italian style pepperoni from Sweet Earth. All right, so I'm gonna be using my Power XL instead of my Kasari today. No reason, just it was already on the counter, so let's get it. So I'm gonna remove it. I'm putting it in saute mode. We're not gonna use the air fryer. So I'm gonna remove this top, okay? And then we'll put it on saute mode to cook our meats. I'm gonna put some grapeseed oil in the pan. Not too much, but you know vegan meats do not create their own oil, so we need that. So we're gonna just slap all this in here. We're gonna use the rest of this. This is probably like half of the container. Have not used it since last time. It was in the freezer. And I'm gonna put a little bit of Slap Your Mama on here, as well as some garlic and herb seasoning. Not too much, but I do want this to be seasoned. So I'm gonna hit it like that, and then hit it with the garlic and herb seasoning. All right, as you can hear, we got some sizzle action, so I'm just gonna flip it on over. Got a little brown. Okay, and then we'll put the pepperoni in. I'll use about half the package. And I'm not gonna season this. This tastes pretty good just on its own, honestly. We have about 1:35 left in the oven, so I'm gonna go ahead and go in. This will be fine. I'll let this cook on residual heat. I'll go ahead and unplug it. All right, our bread is out of the oven. I know it looks real ugly because the cheese didn't melt like I wanted it to, but it is what it is. So I cut up 2 small tomatoes for our sandwich. We're just gonna put in some pepper and some salt, because I love tomatoes actually. So we're just gonna season these bad boys up a little bit like that. Bam, bam. All right. Now first what we're gonna do, should I put on the meat first, or let's put on our meat first. So let's put on our turkey that we cooked up, and then let's put our pepperoni on. This might be dumb that I'm putting this on 2 different sides of the sandwich, but that's all right. Oh yeah, that was enough meat. I didn't think this was gonna cover it all. I'm glad I didn't use that whole package. Let's put on our grinder salad. Let's put it on this side, because I think this is the bottom part. Oh y'all, this is what make the whole meal right here. Oh, I'm so excited. Listen, load it on, because it's your sandwich. Bam. Okay, hit them with the tomatoes, because what? Okay, I can't fit all the, wait, yes I can. Oh, but yes I can. Oh, stay. Y'all, that's ridiculous. That feeds a family of 4. We're gonna have to attempt to cut into this bad boy. Why? This is what I get for trying to save money. This big old bread. Oh, okay, let's just try it. All right, let's try to do that acno. Oh, I'm going to speed this up for real. Should have used a serrated knife. Trying to be grown. What we got? Oh my God, today. Oh, y'all are out of focus. Look, get into it. Get into it. Hold on, I'm about to drop the whole thing. Get into it. Okay, I gotta bite it. I can't, it's falling. Oh, all right, I have no idea if I can bite into this, y'all. Let's be very clear. And I already know it's gonna drip on my floor, but I'm ready. Got the bleach ready to go. Okay, so let's get into it. Okay. See? I can't bite it. Oh, that is the best sandwich I've ever had. I'm pretty sure. I am pretty. It's messy. It's so good. Look at that. My floor. Oh, I can't eat that on camera. I can't eat that on camera. Y'all gotta make this. I'm talking about right now. Go to the store. You don't even need the meat. Honestly, I don't need the meat. It's a texture thing, but it's not needed. Bread, the salad, tomato. Well, it depends on who you like. If you're in your beginning stages, but I don't need the meat. I just need that salad, the tomatoes, and the bread, I guess. But I'm trying to get off bread, but you know what I mean. Like, 10 out of 10, I do recommend. Okay, y'all, like, delicioso. Stop watching this video. Why are you still watching? Go to the store. Go to the store. Now. As always, make sure you like, comment, subscribe down below, and I'll see you next time. Peace. I'm gonna finish eating the sandwich. I ain't playing. I'm hungry too, okay? I know y'all can't see me, but I'm really tossing out this bread. Like, this bread got to go. What we ain't gonna do, we're just gonna give it to the birds, you know, because it ain't gonna go in my body. Period.